Last week on eBay, I feel like I got pretty lucky. In these boxes are the last pieces to my 1975 Honda Goldwing puzzle I've been working on. You see, at some point, a previous owner swapped out 1975 specific parts for custom parts. And that's cool, but I want mine to be all original. And stick around to the end because I got the panels back from the painter and they look amazing. So out of all these packages, this is what I'm mostly excited about. You can only find these specific valve covers on the 1975 model. So the blue Honda emblem is what's specific to the 75 year. 76 to 78 or 79 or whatever it is, they're black. Believe it or not, these are the best examples I have seen online for sale in a long time. The other parts aren't year specific, they're just the rear fender and the timing belt covers. These are pretty dirty, so we're gonna polish them up first. And when I say we, I mean Chelsea. Someone used coarse grit sandpaper to try to polish this fender up. I'll have to come back later and buff it out. But for now, Chelsea did an amazing job cleaning the fender. All right, we got all the parts on. We're gonna wheel it out and do the paint reveal and start throwing some panels on here. These are the panels I was able to find before paint, and here they are after being painted. I used the Honda Candy Green Blue paint from VMR Paints and the decal set from HondaGoldwingParts.com. All the links are in the description. It's crazy how these show up on camera because they're a candy green blue and they show up just kind of blue. In person, they look more like this. Look at that. There's a lot of little tiny things we still got to do, but there's one huge thing we got to do, and I got it right here. Check this out. There you go. One of the finishing touches. So aesthetically, this bike's pretty much done. I got a couple loose ends I'm gonna tie up, and I'll probably make a couple videos about that. But really, we're planning a huge road trip with this thing with a couple buddies and their bikes. So if that's something you wanna see, stick around, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.